Okay. Text support. It says crop the right side of the picture to remove the child on the right and then turn off cropping. Alright, go to size, crop, child out, and it says incorrect. Try again. Tools, format, size, crop. Close to the kid as possible. Try. Okay. Text wrapping, size, cancel. Okay. So I take this. I'm stumped. And then when it does this, I'm stumped. So tell me what we are all doing wrong. Thank you.